Okay, so here I have walnut and sun-dried tomato. This one, walnut roasted or in microwave for 1 minute. Okay, now the walnut is good. Oh, good. So I have some sun-dried tomato. Look at it, so good. With its own olive oil. Full of flavor. And some caper. Some walnut. We will start to blend it. Okay, let's see if we can do it well. Ready? It will be quite noisy. I will turn off or turn down the volume. Take a look. Ooh, looks, oh my goodness, looks pretty good. Oh my goodness, looks pretty good. Did you see? Okay, I will keep on. You can put other flavors, salt, pepper, garlic, onion, anything you like. I would like to make it pure. No garlic, no onion, and just like that. Okay, now I have my drained yogurt, or you can use Greek yogurt. It's sufficiently dry, not too dry, which is just right. I think this is enough. Ew. At the end, you can put some sumac. Sumac. That's a little bit too much, but we can deal with it. Serve as a bread dipping. Salt, pepper needed, if needed. Hello. Now I will try it. Okay. Not too salty. I think it's good. And for a prettier presentation, oh my goodness, the walnut is so good. Huile d'olive, bon appetito. C'est doux.